Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be covering what are build phases, what are alternative build servers other than Jenkins server, and also I will explain collating quality measures. I will explain these three topics in detail. Guys, I have uploaded complete DevOps subject tutorials. I will provide that link in description, you can watch from there. If you are watching this video for the first time, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. First, I will explain what are build phases. Guys, Maven is build tool. By using this tool, we can perform three basic operations. They are, first one is building. Building is nothing but compiling code. Next one is testing. Testing is performed on code in order to catch various kinds of errors. And third phase is deployment phase. After successfully compiling and testing code, we need to place that code in server. So placing our code in server is known as deployment. So Maven tool will perform these three basic operations. Guys, whatever project you take, definitely we need to perform these three operations. Guys, let us say for example I am developing one project. For example, I want to skip this test phase. Just I want to perform only build and deployment. But you cannot do that because these three phases are mandatory in Maven. In Maven, whatever project you take, definitely you need to follow these three basic operations. And each and every operation is performed in step-by-step manner. Maven is a build tool that makes sure everyone follows same steps when building software. This is helpful for big companies because they don't need to create their own rules for building projects. Guys, whatever project you take, you need to follow three rules in Maven. First one is building, next one is testing, and next one is deployment. So there is no need for companies to create separate rules. Maven very strictly follows order of steps like building, testing, and deployment, whereas other tools like and give more freedom, but it can lead to disorganized build. Guys, for example, if you consider Maven strictly follows three steps. They are building, testing and deployment. Whereas if you consider tool like Ant, in Ant we can skip testing. It will not follow rules strictly. If you skip any of these steps, then software quality will decrease. These are three phases in Maven. They are building, testing and deployment. Guys, Maven will follow order strictly, whereas other tools may skip some steps. If you want to produce high quality software, then testing is very important. A good CI server will catch errors by running automate test. Maven strictly follows all the steps without skipping any of the steps like testing. Next topic is alternative build servers. Guys, Jenkins server is popular build server in order to perform building and testing of software. Guys, not only Jenkins server, there are some other servers available. They are, first one is Travis CI server. This server is popular for open source projects. And next one is BuildBot server. This server is built by using Python programming. And next one is Go server, developed by ThoughtWorks company. And next one is Bamboo server, offered by Atlassian company. And next one is GitLab. This GitLab also contains build server features. Not only these five, there are so many servers available. Based on your company and based on your need, you can select server. Next topic is collating quality measures. Guys, collating means collecting. We need to collect quality measures. By following these quality measures, we can successfully build software. A build server can help track and improve software quality by providing testing results. As we know, build server will perform testing and then it will provide testing results. Jenkins can run Java unit test and show results directly on the job page. Guys, by using Jenkins, we can test Java projects. After testing, the results are directly displayed in Jenkins page. And not only Jenkins, there are some other tools like Sonar. This Sonar is a tool that provides detailed code quality report. Guys, Sonar will perform testing during build process and then it will display that results on Sonar server. So developers can see detailed report and based on that they can perform improvements on code. Guys, but there is one problem. Whenever you perform Sonar test, then your server will become slow. So it is suggested to perform testing in Sonar server during night time. So using tools like Jenkins and Sonar can help monitoring and improves code quality, but it is suggested to run Sonar at night time or else your build process will become slow.